So this would be my first time to try this. I've tried like the charcoal something, I don't know if I have it anywhere here, but it's like a charcoal mask and it's not a peel off mask. It's more like you put it on and then you wash it off. This one is a peel off mask. I chose this color, like the black one, because I want to see the impurities of the skin. So anyway, I've just washed my face, and yeah, let's go ahead and do this. Oh my god. Oh shit. Not my eyebrows. It's got like a strong smell. Wow, like it stings the eyes. Okay, I look so cool. I guess that's enough. I don't know if I'm gonna include this part over here. Maybe. Let's do it. Alright, all good, and we're just gonna wait. So I gotta wait for like 20 to 30 minutes until it dries completely, and we have to like remove it with an upward motion. So I got to avoid the hairline. Okay, now we're gonna start to time it. Leave it, time it, and we're gonna be good to go. So I guess it's not yet completely dry. I'm gonna wait for like at least 10 to 20 more minutes. Let's maximize it. Oh my god, I am so excited. Yeah, this is gonna be fun. I think it's ready. Let's see, where should I start? I can already see this. Oh, that's really good. That feels good. Whoa. Oh, that's so cool. That is so cool. Yep. Wow. That was nice. Just not the eyebrows and not the hairline. Other than that, I'm cool. Ah, oh, that was satisfying. That was so satisfying. Definitely have to clean up the spot right here. Okay, I washed off the rest, like the ones here, so it's great that it washed off easily, and so yeah, it feels good. That feels really good. So yeah, that's about it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell as well. And if you like this video, hit the thumbs up. And don't forget to leave your thoughts on the comment section down below. I will see you on my next video.